Welcome back, darlings. This one's going to be a video testing Meguiars Wash Plus versus Garage Therapy Decon Shampoo, with a view to find what is the best / easiest to use pre-polishing shampoo to use to get the paintwork as clean as possible. Doesn't have to be pre-polishing, that's how I tend to use these ones, but there we go, that's what the idea of the video is going to be. Okay, let me talk to you about the test. I'm going to wash half the car with Wash Plus, half the car with Garage Therapy Decon. Then I'm going to decontaminate the paintwork with Garage Therapy Iron Oxide and probably a mitt just to agitate that. I find it works better that way. Detar using Smart TARDIS, the same on both sides. And then I'm going to clay the vehicle with a white clay bar. That's the built handler soft one. And I'm going to do one piece of clay for one side and one piece of clay for the other. And I'm going to use that as the barometer to see which is dirtiest at the end. Hopefully, between the fallout removal and the tar removal, that will get rid of any things that will skew the results, because one side of the car is likely to be more heavily tarred than another side. So we'll see. Hopefully that will address those bits, and therefore what we're left with is a conclusive test. Let's see. All right, sit back, put it to time lapse while I crack through this and the whole process, and then we'll get to the end and do the comparison between the pieces of clay. Right, so I'm starting off with the Meguiars Wash Plus on the right hand side of the screen, or left hand side of the car, however you choose to look at it. Now, to make this test as good as possible and as fair as possible, I'm using the same type of mitt, but it is a different mitt. Okay, so in a minute I'm going to be on the bonnet and I'm going to wipe the Wash Plus side over with a dry microfiber. I was doing that to see if there's any residue left on the panel, because the water behaviour is so different. Now, after I rinsed it off again, there wasn't any difference, so I'm assuming the Wash Plus has taken off more of the LSP, and that was Optimum OptiShield that was on there before. Whilst all that's been going on, I've been doing the fallout removal and the detarring. So I'm claying with the Built Handler soft clay, and I'm using Built Handler Auto QD at 10:1 for the lube. And you can see here on the left hand side is the GT Decon side, on the right hand side is the clay from the Wash Plus, and you can tell there's not a huge difference. And as it comes up again now, you're going to see, again, not a massive difference, but what we are seeing is my inability to spot tar on dark paint. So to conclude, I think from the evidence I've seen there, Garage Therapy Decon wasn't any better or worse than Meguiars Wash Plus in its cleaning ability. And that, in and of itself, makes Decon Wash better. Because you can use Decon Wash as a foam, so you can pre-foam with it, and then also go off and do your contact wash with it. So apparently put it in spray bottle, can use it in the door jams and that sort of stuff. I've not done that myself, but I've seen plenty of other videos doing it. Can't see why that isn't actually genuinely the case. And it's far easier to use because you just use it like a regular shampoo. 65ml in 4 to 5 gallons for doing an intensive wash. So I did about 30ml in 2 gallons today, 30-ish. So that was cool. I felt like I probably used an awful lot more of the Wash Plus by having to put it on onto the mitt. In fact, you do obviously use a lot more. It's quite finicky, the Wash Plus as well. It runs out of lubricity very quickly. You kind of need the mitt very wet to start with, and you need to keep rinsing it out, like do a panel at a time for sure. I mean, it's good practice anyway, but on you doing the door, I found by the time I get to the bottom, I kind of need to load it all up again anyway, just because it's run out of liquid in the pad. I'm using a very short hair one today, so if you were using a thicker chenille mitt, which holds more water, or a more longer fibre, microfiber mitt, I don't think you'd have that issue as much. But with all that said, I would still use the Garage Therapy Decon wash for that. But yeah, hopefully that was useful. I think the test was pretty valid. If you've got any other ideas of how to prove or disprove its worth against Meguiar's Wash Plus, let me know. I can't think of anything else, but doesn't mean there aren't any. Anyway, thank you. See you in the next one.